Have a nice day. This is Mr. Sivaji sir. I am teaching Social Studies, Class 9. Today's topic is India's size and location. You can see the following things in this lesson. One is location of India, second size, first you see the location. India is located in southern part of the Asia continent. Southern part of the Asia continent. It lies in the northern and eastern hemispheres. Geometrically, India lies 8 degrees 4 minutes and 37 degrees 7 minutes north latitudes and 68 degrees 7 minutes and 97 degrees 25 minutes eastern longitudes. Totally 30 longitudes and 30 latitudes are passes from the Indian territory. From the middle of the India, the Tropic of Cancer passes from the following states. They are known as Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Now you can see the boundaries of India. You see the India map. The following boundaries are there. They are Pakistan, Afghanistan, on the northwestern part of India. China has contained lengthiest boundary line from north to northeastern side of India. Nepal and Bhutan both lies on northern side of India. In the eastern side of India, Bangladesh and Myanmar countries are there. Southern side of India, in the ocean waters, Sri Lanka and Maldives are there. These are the neighboring countries of India. What are the boundaries of India? Now you see on the northern side Himalayan mountains are there. Eastern side Bay of Bengal. Southern side Indian Ocean. Western side Arabian Sea is there. India is a union of 29 states. 28 states and 9 union territories are there at present. Recently, Jammu and Kashmir state was bifurcated and converted into two union territories. One is Jammu and Kashmir and the other one is Ladakh. The capital city of Ladakh is Leh. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. At present, we have totally 28 states and 9 union territories. Among the 28 states, Rajasthan state is the largest state in India, whereas Goa is the smallest state in India. In case of population, the largest populated state is Uttar Pradesh, and smallest populated state in Arunachal Pradesh. Size. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Among the 7 largest countries, the first one is the Russia. The second largest country is Canada. Third largest country is USA. Fourth largest country is China. And fifth largest country is Brazil. And sixth largest country is Australia. Seventh largest country is China. India. India is the 7th largest country. Its area is 3.28 million square kilometers. The 82 1/2 degrees eastern longitude is taken as the standard meridian of India. India's standard time is managed with the alpha of 82 degrees 30 minutes eastern longitude. It passes from the Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, from north to south of India, Yanam in Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh. India's neighboring countries: Pakistan and Afghanistan both lies in the northwestern side of India. China has contained the lengthiest boundary. It spreads from north to northeastern side of India. In the northern side, Nepal and Bhutan countries are also there. Southern side, Sri Lanka and Maldives are also there. And eastern side, Bangladesh and Myanmar countries are there. In Bay of Bengal, largest island group is there. It is known as the Andaman and Nicobar Island. In Arabian Sea, smallest island group is there. It is known as the Lakshadweep. Totally 9 union territories are there. They are Diu and Daman, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Chandigarh, Puducherry and the Tamil Nadu coast, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands, Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. The capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair. Capital city of Lakshadweep Islands, Kavaratti. The distance from the north to south of India is 2,933 kilometers. The distance from western side of India to the eastern side of India is 3,214 kilometers. The land frontier of India is 15,200 kilometers. The coastal line of India is totally 7,516 kilometers, including Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Nepal is the Himalayan kingdom of India. Suez Canal is opened to reduce the distance between the western countries to the India up to 6,000 kilometers. India is also known as the subcontinent because it has contained the characteristics of the continent, because it has contained the largest landmass with different types of landforms, plains, plateaus, deserts, mountain ranges, hills, etc. On the eastern side of India, two major lakes are there. Three major lakes are there. They are known as the Chilka Lake on the Odisha coast, Kolleru Lake, it lies between the Krishna Godavari river basins on the coast of Andhra Pradesh. Pulicat Lake, it lies between the Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh border on the east coast of India. The southern tip of India is Kanyakumari. In the ancient days, the trade and commerce were conducted from the mountain passes which lies in the Himalayas in the western side of India and the eastern side of India also. Thank you, one and all.